Okay, we're gonna do a review on this Xenower LED lighting from Sea Light. I just got it in today. It is for a 9003 and says here type X1. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll put the link below if you want to get it. I think it'll support me if I have it set up right. If not, I can care less because it's probably going to be pennies to the dollar by the time you give a crap about this. Anyways, just remove the packaging and let's see what I got. So we have this right here. You can pause that and read it if you want. There you go. All right, little user manual right here. Now, disclaimer is I'm going to put this on an old 2001 Mitsubishi Mirage, meaning it doesn't have any type of electronics that this is going to mess up with. I think some of the newer vehicles have like DRLs or something that whole different like computer manages that, and if you install these, you might have like a high beam, low beam communication error. I don't know. That's for you to figure out. That's not what this is. This is an unboxing of the bulb itself. So here we go. Not going to touch those with a hand, but we're going to pull these out. And it comes with, looks like 2 mini ballasts. However, it seems like it's just straight to the point to the connector. There's no relay or separate power ballast that would need separate power, so that's interesting. Normally higher power ones would come with that. Okay, it comes with some cloth gloves, I'm assuming, so you don't touch the bulb. If you don't know why that is, the oils on your hand, everybody has oils in their hand. If you touch that, the high temperature of that will eventually cook or heat up that oil so much that then it will in turn cook the plastic. You don't want that. So let's see. I have large hands, and if you have large hands, let's see if this fits. All right, guys, if you need a pair of gloves, this is it. You can throw that away. You know where to find yourself a nice, decent pair of gloves. You can use it for anything. All right. What we're going to do is take these off. And then I'm going to show you a comparison of my current headlights. And then I'm going to remove them and we're going to install these. And we're going to see what it does as far as day and night. No pun intended. Okay, we're inside the car, and before we do anything, I mean, you guys got to check this out. Yeah, I got a check engine light, but who cares? 329,862 miles. Sheesh. Anyways, here it is. We're gonna do in probably the best condition, dark, rainy, and the light wouldn't normally reflect in the asphalt, so this is a worst condition kind of thing to see the headlights. So let's see if I can shift with one hand and drive and all that. This is low beam. Not bad. Probably have to turn the heat up a little bit, defog the windshield. Alright, so got that. Probably I'll go to a parking lot that's in the area here, and we'll probably not a good idea because it is more lit than I thought. However, I'm gonna take some outside shots real quick, see how that looks. Okay, super bright, super white in person. I like it. I like it. Over there, somebody left their lights on, and they're done for. Sucks to suck, nerd. All right, I'll go to a darker area. No lights here at all, so pitch black. Here's gonna be my LED running strips, and barely see anything there at all, obviously. Now here's my headlights. Boom, check that out. Really nice, really nice. High beams. Boom, very good. And back to regular and shut off. And in comparison, here's a car driving by, that's his. And boom, this is mine. And high beam again. Oh, that's on high beam, sorry. This is low beam. So one more time. Nothing. Regular. High beam. And now I'll drive with high beam forward. It's not bad, not bad. Night and day. I like it. Think one already died on me? Okay, now it works. I had to wiggle the wire a lot, but now it's on. So now I'm kind of worried because on day one it already flickered dead. But all right, so you guys saw that. If you guys have problems with the headlight, you should get a decoder from them. They should be able to hook you up with that. I have no control on how good their customer service are or if they will actually reach you. That's beyond me. All right, so first impressions on it. Basic packaging, clean. I didn't open this. I realized just because it was, 2 steps, what else am I gonna do? So didn't even bother. As far as these, 10 out of 10, would recommend for all kinds of jobs. Call them up, see if they can send you a bulk package on cloth gloves. At the very end, when I got home, one of the lights died. It was a low beam on the driver's side. And I went ahead and moved the wire, as you saw in the video, and it came back to life. So yeah, that's probably not very convincing there as far as quality. But let's rule that to a poor connection to the bulb connector to the OEM harness. Let's just say that. Bought it through Amazon, so again, I'll put the link in there. As far as the performance, when it is working, I am very pleased. Very bright. You look at it in person, it matches the white of the LED strip. I gave you a little light show there. Looks pretty cool for an old school car, in my opinion, to be retrofitted with DRLs and all that. So hope you enjoyed. Hope this helps you make a informed decision. If you purchase this, cool. If not, makes no difference to me. I don't make anything. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can follow more on my shenanigans. Out.